Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make flavorful tacos for under $25 using ingredients from Aldi. So let's get started with the video. These are the ingredients I bought for the tacos and I'll have them in the description below. Everything in total cost me under $25. We're going to begin by marinating the meat. Place 1 to 2 pounds of Carne Picasso meat into a bowl. Next, season the meat however you like, but for reference, these are the seasonings I used. First, I added 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1.5 tablespoons of Kinder's sweet heat seasoning, half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of oregano, and half a teaspoon of onion powder. After seasoning the meat, mix everything together until well combined. When you're finished, cover the bowl and let the meat marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. While the meat is marinating, dice 1 onion and chop up some cilantro. Set these ingredients to the side until you're ready to use them later. Once the meat is finished marinating, you can go ahead and cook it. In a large pan over medium-high heat, add olive oil. Then add the meat in the pan. Then cook the meat for 5 to 7 minutes or until it has browned and completely cooked through. Once the meat has finished cooking, take it off the heat. Then pour it into a bowl or container and set it to the side. Then in that same pan over medium heat, add olive oil. Then place some tortillas in the pan. Next, add shredded mozzarella cheese on both tortillas. Then add another tortilla on top of each one. Cook the tortillas until they're crispy and golden brown on each side. When you're finished cooking the tortillas, place them on a plate. Now assemble your tacos by adding the Carne Picasso meat, diced onions, and cilantro. Add some slices of lime to the plate, and finally add some salsa on the side. I'm using the salsa I already had at home and it is delicious, but you can also get a salsa from Aldi and still be under $25. And this is the finished result. These tacos are so good. The meat was tender and flavorful and the tortilla was crispy and cheesy. This recipe is cheap, delicious, and super easy to make. Comment down below if you want me to make more budget-friendly Aldi meals. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!